some craft kits today. Got a mixture of different things. I did show you a haul that I had going back, which is some of this, but I also have these cabochons. As you can see, they're all different. I've even got some Peppa Pig ones, but obviously I don't sell these because of copyright, but will just put them in for free. When you place orders, you get sent freebies and things, and but I'm not risking my business over copyright. Oh, I've just seen a cute little chicken. Anyway, Claire, stop rambling on. So I've got these containers and they've got 8 compartments. So they're completely reusable. These will make great bow centers. Look at these, aren't they pretty? I really love these. I sell these on their own for, I think these are 60p each. But they're glittery, they're big, lovely. I will link my website in the description below for you, so check it out if you want to. We've got these as well, they're very different. Can be glued or sewn on. Little hats, mermaid tails, pussycats. Of course we cannot have anything with no pussycats. Let's start filling the boxes. Now these contain 500 pieces. There's all sorts in here. There's sequins, clay, resin. So we're going to put a packet of those in. If they'll, oh look, there's a donut. I think I'll keep the ones I like and put them on the top, because otherwise you'll probably think, oh, you're just getting sequins or something. So this is the finished kit of this one, and I decided to add some ribbon as well in case anyone wanted to make some bows. So this is this one. So here are the finished boxes. I hope you like them. I will link my website down below just in case you want to have a look. But thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.